In this video, I'll show you how to get a receipt from GCash. If you need proof of payment or proof of a transfer in GCash, the easiest place to get it is from your transactions history. GCash says you can view your recent transactions directly in the app, and if you need older records, you can request your transaction history and have it sent to your email. To do this, open the GCash app and log in. Tap Transactions and look for the payment, transfer, or cash in you want. Once you open that transaction, you can use it as your payment record or screenshot it if you need quick proof with the reference number. GCash also says many confirmation messages are now shown in the GCash app inbox or transaction history instead of SMS. If you need an older receipt or a longer record, scroll down in Transactions and tap Request Transaction History. Check your email address, choose the date range, then submit the request. GCash says it will send your transaction history to your email, usually within a few minutes. So again, to get a receipt from GCash, open Transactions, select the payment you need, and use that record or request your transaction history by email for older transactions. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.